Hey everyone, welcome back to Rider Fusion, your go-to place for the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Aprilia RSV4, a machine that redefines superbike performance and Italian style. Let's hit it. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 RSV4 1100 looks absolutely stunning. Aprilia sharpened the aerodynamic profile, introducing revised fairings with integrated winglets. The bike carries a sleek, aggressive stance, complemented by a new LED headlight setup that screams speed even when it's parked. Every curve and edge has been fine-tuned for both beauty and function. Engine and performance. At its heart, the RSV4 1100 packs the legendary 1,099 cubic centimeter V4 engine, now tuned for even better mid-range torque without losing that top-end scream. Expect around 220 horsepower with a seamless ride-by-wire throttle response. Paired with an updated quick shifter and refined electronics suite, this bike delivers brutal acceleration with surgical precision. Electronics and Tech Aprilia has pushed the envelope with their latest electronics package. The 2025 RSV4 comes with a new 6-axis IMU, traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and adjustable engine braking, all customizable through a gorgeous TFT display. Plus, with the updated APRC system, riders get race-grade feedback and control whether they're on the street or the track. Ride and handling remains razor-sharp. Thanks to a lighter chassis, revised suspension tuning, and improved braking components, the RSV4 1100 offers phenomenal feedback and stability at all lean angles. It's confidence-inspiring whether you're carving canyon roads or attacking apexes on a racetrack. Final thoughts. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 1100 isn't just an evolution, it's a statement. If you're searching for the perfect blend of raw power, sophisticated technology, and Italian passion, this might just be your dream ride. Thanks for hanging out with us today on Rider Fusion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an adrenaline-fueled update. Ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.